Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, just call me Izzy, and today I'm gonna do a comparing video. Comparing my friend slime. Her name is Sky. You guys can go check her channel out, Sky Vlogs. She is actually pretty good. We go to school with each other, and yeah. So I'm comparing this slime that she gave me, which is brown, but it's alright. She tried to make peanut butter slime, but oh well. Versus my slime. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first one I'm going to be starting with is the peanut butter slime. This one. So, alright, so that to the side. Let me see. It's good at poking. Alright, so let's see if it's stretchy. Whoa, that is like so stretchy. It's I mean, it's okay at Crackalackles. I actually like this, I think, better than mine. Well, it just broke because it's not bad. It's only because sorry. Right there. It's only because, what was I gonna say? Oh, because I was stretching it too fast. Okay, so this is hers. Oh, we're not done. We need to look at the swirl. This was horrible, but here it is. So let's get on to the next slime. Alright, so now here's my slime. Pretty stretchy. The thing that I don't really like about this one is that it's really like thick. So yeah, that's definitely what I do not like. I gave Sky some of this. Today we had a sub, and Sky actually sits next to me too. So yeah, we had a sub. So yeah. Ooh, look at this swirl. So the swirl is really good. I'm sorry, I did that too fast. There it is. So for Christmas, I might actually, because I told my dad that I want a vlogging camera or a GoPro. And he said maybe. So I might, after Christmas, be vlogging with a new camera. But I'm pretty sure it would be pretty hard, because I think you would have to do it on a computer, like editing. So I think that would be pretty hard. I do think so myself. I don't know, but I'm not sure. Tell me in the comments below if you guys are Logan Paul, Jake Paul, or if you guys are Logan Pauler. Logan Pauler is Jake Paul and Logan Paul. Like, you can't decide, you're both. Logan Paul is obviously Logan Paul, and Jake Paul is just Jake Paul. It's actually edible. I forgot that it was edible, so I don't really know why I put beads in it. So So yeah, stay tuned for my next video because I'm gonna be doing a room tour. Maybe. Not sure yet, but maybe. So yeah, this is mine. I mean, it's really much more thicker than the peanut butter slime. So I think, look, I can poke really fast. Ready? Fast. Sorry about the background noises. That is my sister right there. I just want to give a shout out to my friend Brianna and Sky and everyone else who is a subscriber that I do not know about. I don't see how that's funny.
Oh, yeah, right. You were laughing at it like last week.
Alright, so that is the end of this video. Tell me in the comments below which one you guys like better. Peanut butter slime or my birthday cake slime. So, yeah, tell me in the comments below. So that is all for today. Stay tuned for the room tour. So I'm going to post this one and then I'm going to be doing a room tour. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.